This could be, the Oldenlandia only. Oldenlandia lancifolia, one of them. Streamside plant in a secluded location. Small white flowers. Two, three plants are there. And along with this, I think this is that Bonnaya antipoda. That is there. This one. Then in the same pit, on the other side, this one is there again. Whether it's the same one I saw earlier or it's a different one, I can't make out. If you compare the two of them, could be the same species. Then some Eriocolon also there. This must be Eriocolon. This one. ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಗುಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆರಡೇ. ಹಾಂ.